How to remove browsing history on Temu. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. To remove your browsing history on Temu app, follow these steps. First, launch the Temu app and log into your account. You will be directed to the home page. At the bottom of the screen, you will see several options. Navigate to the U option. On the U page, look for the selection labeled Browsing History, along with options like Wishlist and Followed Providers. Now click on Browsing History, then scroll all the way to the right and select See All. You will see all the items in your browsing history. To remove an item, click on the three dots next to it, then choose Delete. Repeat this process for all the items you wish to remove from your history, and that's it. You have successfully cleared your browsing history on the Temu app. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again in the next video.